tutorial. I don't remember the last time I did a hair tutorial on my channel, but that's what we're doing today. So for those of you who don't know how to really braid your own hair, like, you know, do cornrows, I'm gonna show you guys a little trick to put your hair into braids. A lot of people don't know how to braid. Like, I know how to braid, but I struggle braiding my own hair. So this is a little trick for you guys, and the style comes out really cute. It's just two straight back braids, but this looks cute. I don't know how to describe it, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do my hair like that. I'm a natural girl, so sometimes I get bored with putting my hair in a bun all the time. Right now I'm just parting it down the middle, which is self-explanatory, but you know, I'm just telling you what I'm doing. My hair is completely drenched right now. It's not like, you know, drenched, but you know, because I had a towel on, but I drenched my hair and then put a towel on to soak up some of the moisture. But if you guys are natural like me, you know that it's best to wet your hair if you're gonna be styling it. So that's what I did. But before we really get into the style, because I didn't even introduce myself, my name is Ashley, so welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. If you are new, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to go follow me on Instagram at Shelley's Daughter and at Shelley's Daughter Beauty. Right here, you see it right here. Go follow me. But yeah, like I said, I don't remember the last time I did a hair tutorial, but I just decided to give you guys a hair tutorial. My hair is wet and it has conditioner in it. Like, I just left a lot of conditioner in it, and I'm gonna use my Demon brush to kind of smooth it out. My hair isn't really tangled right now, so I'm just using the Demon brush to smooth out my hair. But I love using a Demon brush whenever I'm gonna do my wash and go as well, because it helps define the curls. So yeah. And I don't really worry if my part is perfect. Let's see, let's check. You guys let me know, is it perfect? Ooh, look at it. I think it's crooked, but I don't really care. This is the part that's really like the trick or the tip that I'm gonna show you guys if you don't know how to braid your hair. Even like my roommate, she always struggles with like putting her hair in two braids. So if she wants it in two braids, sometimes she'll ask me to do it. I don't know if she watches all my videos. If she sees this video, hopefully it helps her too with doing two braids on herself. So yeah, so I brush it all out, and then since my hair is gonna be in these two braids probably for a couple of days, I'm gonna take, now this looks nasty, but inside of this container right here, I have my Cantu curling, well, I could show it to you from the bottom, but I have my Cantu curling cream, the stuff that comes in this bottle, and I have this oil mixed in. This oil is only like $2 or $3 at Walmart, but I have that little concoction mixed in, and it's moisturized my hair so good. And I'm gonna just put that in my hair, more so focusing on the ends, because like something I learned from my friend Jasmine, she has a YouTube channel as well, her YouTube is Jazz Lee, is that, like, you know, our hair is always growing, but sometimes we're not retaining the length because we don't moisturize our ends. So watching her video just gave me the reminder that I really need to treat my ends with some love and care. So I make sure that I moisturize my ends really, really good. And there's already conditioner all throughout my hair, so I'm just focusing, like I said, on the ends, that oil, you know. And yeah, so just work that in there nice and good. So for those of you who don't know, this is how long my hair is actually, but it always shrinks up. So anytime you guys see it, it's shrunken up. And my hair is in an A-line cut, so the back is shorter and the front is longer. All right, so let me get a little closer so I can show you how I twist the top. I like to leave this little piece out right here. Give it a little finger curl. Boom. And then for the top, I kind of take out a section as if I'm gonna do a cornrow, but then I just do a double strand twist like that. And I'm twisting mine backwards. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. But I'm just taking the hair and keeping it as close to the root as possible, but I'm just doing a double strand twist instead of like a full braid. Like that. And then as I'm going back, I'm just twisting and picking up a new piece. So every time I, you know, get to the next part, I'm picking up another piece from the back right here and just twisting it. Turn my head, hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. And then just, you know, make sure you're smoothing it out as you're grabbing another piece. Boom. It's super easy, but, you know, it creates a really cute little hairstyle. I just drop my comb. And then when it gets almost to the end, like right about here. Now that we're here, right? You see I have my two pieces like that. I grab a little, wait, hold on. Where is it? This little piece back here. And then I don't know how to describe it, but I make that my third piece under there, right? And then I grab a piece from one of the twists, like that. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna show you guys again on the other side, but like that. So now I have three pieces. So it goes from being double strand twisted to three pieces. Super easy. But it just looks so cute when you're done. And even though there's a lot of product in my hair will soak it up, so I don't worry if it looks white like that. Boom, super easy. Super easy and cute. Do you see that? Like, I don't know why, but my boyfriend loves when I have my hair braided up like this. It's his favorite. This and when I wear my hair curly is his favorite. Like, every time I do my hair like this, he always tells me how cute I look, and I'm like, thanks, I guess. But I do like it, and it's a good style to like have your hair wrapped up and put away. And it's low manipulation. Like, it may look like it's really tight, but it's not at all. Like, this is not painful at all. Just soak up some of that product like that. Boom. And then if your hair is similar to mine, whenever you take it out, it's like really pretty and wavy too. So you can leave this in for however long you want to. And then once you take it out, your hair like becomes like this really pretty, nice, wavy curl. Like, I know how to braid my hair now, but this is what I used to always do whenever I first started like learning how to braid. This is how I would do the double strand twist. Like, I actually know how to braid my hair too, how to actually braid it, but I like to do it like this sometimes because I feel like it's just a different look. It's nothing too fancy, but cute. So whenever I do my when I actually do the braid, I braid my hair different than a lot of people do it. So I don't know if seeing me do it would help you guys learn, but I guess I can kind of show you. I can show you guys how I braid my hair if I was gonna do like a 3-strand braid, but this is the way that, you know, I would suggest to do it if you really don't know how to braid your hair. But I'll show you guys how I started off, but I'm gonna take it down and still do the double strand twist. So like if I was gonna do a 3-strand, hold on, let me moisturize my hair. Let me moisturize it. So those of you who might be wondering, yes, I'm mixed. And my family, I'm mixed, but my mom and my dad, like my mom was from Belize and my dad is still in Belize. So my mom and my dad are both from Belize. If you guys are wondering, because sometimes people will ask me like, are you mixed with white and black? Or I'm technically mixed, yes, but my ethnicity is Belizean. Belizean. Look, I'm Americanized Belizean, so I don't know what's the right way to say it. But so yeah, if I was gonna actually do a 3-strand twist, it's still the same like how I grabbed it on that side, but now I have 3 pieces, and I braid on my scalp. You know how a lot of people, like, you'll see them doing this, like braiding their hair backwards? I don't know how they do that on their own head. Like, I cannot. Like, it's not tight, it's not smooth. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that again. So yeah, I grabbed the 3 strands like this, and then I don't know how to describe it, but it's like it's kind of like I'm doing a regular braid, except I'm keeping it close to my scalp. But I didn't always used to know how to do this, and before I learned how to do this, I would always do this. This is how, if I was gonna do my braids like this is how I would do it. And this is really cute too, but the goal of this video is to show you guys how I finesse a braid that's not really fully a cornrow. I guess it's called like a double strand flat twist. Is that what it's called? I think that's what it's called. I don't even know if showing you guys this was helpful. But whatever. I just felt like filming a little quick hair video for you guys, so Yeah, I'm gonna take this out and just twist it up like the other side. But you guys get the gist. You see how I did it. Hopefully that was helpful. It's already 2:30 and I still got orders I need to do today, and because I want to get it to the post office today. But yeah, I'm just twisting the other side now. I'm just showing you guys again, so hopefully, you know, seeing it a second time is helpful. You guys be looking like I ain't got no edges, but I've been working on growing them back. I use virgin hair fertilizer for my edges to help them grow back in. And sometimes it really looks like I still have no edges, and it's offensive. But I know, like, I feel like my hair originally started falling out because of stress. That was a couple of years ago. Like, I was under a lot of stress. My hair's doing better now. It's cool. Yeah, it's just twisted at the top. Cute. Did I even put a rubber band on the edge of my hair? I don't think I did. Oh yeah, I did. Where did my rubber bands? Did I drop them? I could just hear my chair squeaking, huh? It's an old chair, so it just be squeaking. Boom. And oh my gosh, you guys, when I was taking out my box braids, I accidentally cut this side of my hair shorter. Like, you see it? I'm so annoyed with myself. But it's just hair. It's gonna grow back, so I'm not mad. It's fine. But do you see how, like, look at the difference in the length? It's like a whole inch or so I cut off by accident. Oh yeah, but another tip for, like, if you have issues with your edges thinning, I also put aloe vera oil gel, because aloe vera gel helps to repair skin cells or something like that. I don't remember the exact terminology, but it helps to, like, repair the skin. So sometimes, like, whenever our edges are not growing in, it's because the skin is damaged from, like, a lot of tension. So that kind of helps to rebuild the cells. I'm saying that right? If I'm not, don't quote me, okay? But that's what I use. I use virgin hair fertilizer and aloe vera gel on my edges. Not like gel, but like the actual natural aloe vera gel. If you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comment section below, and if I remember, I'll link it if you guys care. If you guys don't care, it's no sense in me linking it. And then to swoop my edges, I use the Cream of Nature Edge Control. You see, once it starts curling up, you can't really tell that it's shorter. It's not that much of a difference. Literally, I'm using mainly my, I film on my phone, so I'm mainly using my phone as my mirror right now, so I'm hoping that I'm still doing my edges good. This one a little bit more. And then I could do, ooh, my makeup is mixing with my edge control. Oh well, I don't care that much. Sometimes I'll do baby hairs that are more extra than this, but this will do. Boom. Easy peasy. Super cute. But if you guys like my little hairstyle, let me show it to you. Hold on, let me show you guys the whole thing. Boom, boom. That's what it looks like from that side. But, you know, just in case you were trying to learn how to braid your own hair, or you're struggling with learning how to braid your own hair and you wanted like a little finessed look like you got braids, this is how you do it. Yeah. If you like the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to click that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you could be notified when I upload another video. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. If you guys like hair tutorials, let me know in the comment section below what other type of hairstyles you guys would like to see from me. If you guys want like my wash and go routine, let me know in the comment section below as well, so I could film that video for you guys. And thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. I appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.